आज उठ जा, आज तेरे लिए ये चैलेंज है। लिटरली ऐसा होता था। क्या होता है ना, जिन लोगों से आप उम्मीद करते हो ना, वो लोग जब आपका दिल तोड़ देते हैं ना, और उसके बाद बैक स्टैबिंग शुरू हो जाती है ना, किसी को भी अपनी बुराई सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगता, किसी को ये कहने में अच्छा नहीं लगता कि मुझसे गलती हुई है। ऑनेस्टली आई डू नॉट रिग्रेट एनी मोमेंट। माई हस्बैंड इज माई प्राइड। यू आर टॉकिंग शिट अबाउट माई हस्बैंड।
Today on Spot Boy, we have boss lady with us who has managed to win the trophy of Big Boss 14. Rubina, firstly, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Rubina, tell me honestly, when you said yes to this show, were you you had this in your mind कि मैं trophy लेकर ही घर आऊंगी?
नहीं यार, ये तो बिल्कुल भी दिमाग में था ही नहीं। इनफैक्ट जब तक मेरा नाम अनाउंस नहीं हुआ था तब तक आई वाज ब्लैंक दैट यू नो वेदर दिस विल हैपन और नॉट। ऑफ कोर्स एक डिजायर थी दैट यू नो इतना लंबा सफर तय कर लिया है, लेकिन जब सफर की शुरुआत की थी तब तो कहीं भी वो था ही नहीं दैट यू नो आई मे विन और आई मे नॉट विन, व्हाटएवर। मेरे को सिर्फ इस जर्नी को एक्सपीरियंस करना था। हमारे रीजंस बिग बॉस करने के बहुत अलग थे, तो जीतना तो वाज लाइक अ not even second thought. I think it was a third or fourth thought. So yeah.
वैसे जर्नी आपकी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रही है विद ऑल अप्स एंड डाउन्स, और काफी लोगों ने अपने अपने व्यूज दिए हैं आपकी जर्नी पे। बट क्योंकि आप मेरे साथ हैं तो आई वुड लाइक टू नो योर जर्नी फ्रॉम योर साइड कि आप अपनी जर्नी को कैसे देखती हैं। हाउ वुड यू डिस्क्राइब योर जर्नी? फर्स्टली टेल मी दैट।
My journey was incredible with lots and lots of ups and downs. जिस जर्नी में मैंने अपने आप को और बेहतरीन तरीके से जाना है, I have been able to confidently say that yes, I have made mistakes and I'm not afraid of my failures. And these failures have made me even more stronger and gotten me closer to my success. So that's what my journey is.
People were very sure that you know it's Rubina Dilek who's winning the trophy. How what sort of feelings you were dealing with when you were locked inside and finale नजदीक था, सिर्फ 5 लोग बचे थे? Were you confident?
Definitely I did not know what is going in the outside world. और जब मैं घर के अंदर थी, I was putting my all energy at least to be there in the finale, because इतना लंबा you know सफर जब आप तय करते हो, फिर कहीं ना कहीं आपको अपनी मंजिल क्लियर दिखती है और एक डिजायर और इंटेंशन होती है कि यार यहाँ तक पहुंच गए, अब फिनाले तो देखना ही देखना है।
Right.
और मेरा एक वो कहते हैं ना, इट वाज माय ड्रीम, बिकॉज शो के दौरान एक किसी कंटेस्टेंट ने कहा था कि लास्ट डे पर जो फिनालिस्ट मतलब जो फिनाले तक पहुंचते हैं वो लोग घर की लाइट ऑफ करते हैं।
अच्छा।
तो वो जो फीलिंग था, यू नो इट दैट सेंटेंस इटसेल्फ इट गेव मी गूज़बम्प्स। मैंने कहा वाह यार, यू नो लोग इतना लंबा जर्नी तय करते हैं और फिर वो हाउ वुड दैट फीलिंग बी कि जब आप आखिरी बार सब कुछ खत्म हो गया, द एंटायर जर्नी इज फिनिश्ड एंड देन यू स्विच ऑफ द लाइट्स ऑफ बिग बॉस हाउस। I had this dream कि मुझे लाइट्स ऑफ करनी है। मैं ऑनेस्टली बता रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ वही प्रे करती थी कि मैं फिनाले तक वहां तक पहुंच जाऊं जहां मुझे लाइट्स खुद ऑफ करनी पड़े, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट फीलिंग। क्योंकि ये बहुत रेयर मोमेंट, ये इट्स अ रेयर मोमेंट वेयर यू नो चलो जीतना तो किस्मत की बात है, एवरीथिंग ऑल सेड एंड डन, बट that is the rarest of the feelings where you can switch off the light. जिस घर में आप इतने महीने रहे हो, उस घर की लाइट्स जब आप ऑफ करते हो, how does that feel? Oh my god, मतलब that was the entire thing that मैं जब से मैंने ये सुना था तब से तो मैं उसी दिन का इंतजार कर रही थी कि अब तो मैं फिनाले तक इसलिए पहुंचना है क्योंकि मुझे लाइट्स ऑफ करनी है।
वैसे लाइट्स ऑफ की आपने, कैसा लगा उस वक्त?
मैं I can't explain. All I can say is I feel that thing कि यार वो घर ना रियल लगने लगा था। मतलब in couple of weeks that house was my reality. I would say it was my reality. मेरा एक अपना डिसिप्लिन था, मेरा एक अपना रिचुअल बन गया था। मैं जैसे अपने घर पे रहती हूँ वैसे मैंने अपना एक स्केड्यूल बनाना शुरू कर दिया था। I started feeling everything is real and I was living that reality. उस reality को आप एक मतलब you are bringing an end to that reality.
Yeah.
I can't explain you the feeling, but it was like one of the most weirdly beautiful feelings. So that's all I can say.
Other than this, what has been your best part of this journey, this whole journey?
When Abhinav had come on Valentine's Day, because you know, रिश्ते में हमेशा से that rekindling of your love and your emotion, according to me, is very very important. So,
Right.
in fact, I told him also that it just feels like कि हमारे starting dating, initial dating periods, my heart is pounding like that. So
अच्छा.
those are very छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है, but those little things matter the most to me. And having those feelings, having that butterfly when he came, oh my God, it was surreal, and I really wanted to just live in that moment.
If I ask you what has been the weakest moment of Rubina inside the house, because there have been so many times when we saw you in tears, but what
Hmm.
according to you has been the weakest?
The weakest was that night when I was trying explaining Abhinav what I'm going through, but I couldn't explain it. Where I just kept on telling him, please bear with me. All I want to have is silence. That was my weakest moment because I couldn't explain what I'm going through.
Right.
So, when you're weak, you do not understand what's happening with you, and it's very difficult to make your partner even understand that what's exactly happening. So, I think that was the weakest moment in the house.
What moment which you regret?
Honestly, I do not regret any moment, but I can say that every moment has given me a learning lesson. It has been a learning lesson. So I could have been a little more patient, and I would have avoided throwing water on Rocky. So वो एक ऐसा है कि थोड़ा सा मैं और सह लेती उनके अत्याचार तो मैं I would have been that episode wouldn't have happened. So that's all I can say.
Listen, Rubina, I was also very shocked when I saw you doing that because I wasn't expecting. I mean, like knowing you since so many years, it was very like
Yeah.
ऐसे कैसे हो गया? But generally, मतलब उतना इतना गुस्सा क्यों आया रुबीना को उस वक्त?
यार क्या होता है ना, जिन लोगों से आप उम्मीद करते हो ना, वो लोग जब आपका दिल तोड़ देते हैं ना, और उसके बाद बैक स्टैबिंग शुरू हो जाती है ना, एंड आई एम वेरी लॉयल टू माय रिलेशनशिप्स. I go out of my way to accommodate people, out of my way to forgive them, out of my way to let go of things, ugly things that have happened. But राखी के केस में ना, वो उनकी तरफ से ना, उनको वो लाइन, उनकी वो होता है ना, उनको अपनी सीमा नहीं पता है, या फिर वो मतलब जानते बूझते वो ये करती थी. आई डू नॉट नो दैट, बट टू हैव पेशेंस and tolerate things from the person that I had so much faith in, it was unbearable. Matlab, imagine I was so hurt that I was bound to react in that way. I wasn't angry on her, I was hurt. I was so hurt कि यार जिन लोगों ने आपका साथ दिया, my husband is my pride, you are talking shit about my husband, and that too on my back, on knowing that how much we have done for you, how much we have respected you, how much we have loved you. So it was a hurt, out of that hurt sentiment, it was like I really don't care now, and it has to just, I can't take it anymore. वो feeling था. It wasn't aggression. It wasn't aggression at all. It was a feeling of being so hurt and so let down by a person that you had no other choice than to just let that person know कि यार अब हद होगी है, बस करो. वैसा था.
If I ask you one moment when you felt like running away from that house, because staying in that house is not easy at all.
Yeah,
So I'm
yeah.
sure there must have been moments when you felt like यार कहाँ आ गए, please निकलना है यहाँ से.
यार ऐसा तो I mean, ऐसा तो बहुत बार हुआ है, because honestly मतलब वो घर ही ऐसा है यार, जहां पर आप अपना सब्र बहुत जल्दी खो देते हैं, जहां आपकी पेशेंस बार बार टेस्ट होती है, जहां आप ये कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूं, आपके लिए ना टेस्टिंग टाइम्स आर रेडी फॉर यू एवरी मॉर्निंग यू वेक अप. कोई ना कोई चैलेंज इज देयर, लुकिंग इनटू योर फेस, ग्लेयरिंग एट योर फेस. आज उठ जा, आज तेरे लिए ये चैलेंज है, लिटरली ऐसा होता था. So तो ऐसे तो बहुत सारे मौके थे यार जहाँ ऐसा लगा ऑफ इनफ, आई कांट टेक इट एनी मोर, या आई मतलब इट्स जस्ट नॉट वर्थ टेकिंग सो मच ऑफ हेडेक, वैसा
Right.
था. तो एक पर्टिकुलर इंस्टेंस तो नहीं बोल सकती, बट देयर वर क्वाइट अ मेनी यार.
How's the equation with Rakhi now? Is everything sorted? It's normal.
या टुवर्ड्स द एंड यार मैंने वो बोलते ना, बोल बताकर मैंने सब कुछ, जिनके साथ भी मेरे रिश्ते बुरे हो गए थे, यू नो, पीपल वेयर द इक्वेशंस हैड गॉन सावर, I had made a conscious effort saying, I don't want to carry this baggage out of this house. I have let go of everything. I want to begin with a clean slate. और इसके बाद however you want to connect and you know bring this, or maybe reconnect and rebuild the relationship ahead, I am more than happy doing it. So with everybody I just made that thing very clear and I said let's move on.
Did you get a chance to sort it out with Jasmine as well?
एब्सोल्युटली. वो जब वापस क्या कहते हैं आपका फैमिली वीक में भी वापस आई थी, मैंने उससे I had made my conscious effort with her and I had told her that you know I have let go of things and I was surprised कि यार she's come back with certain baggage again. And तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि यार अभी तो आप शो से बाहर जा चुके हो, अब क्या ऐसी चीजें हैं कि आपको फिर भी बॉदर कर रही है, आई डोंट नो. तो ये सब चीजें तो मेरे दिमाग में थी और फिर इसके चलते मैंने सेंस किया कि कहीं ना कहीं शी इज स्टिल हैंगिंग ऑन टू पास्ट थिंग्स एंड it's becoming difficult for her. But I told her, मैंने कहा यार मेरी तरफ से clean slate है, तुम्हें जितना वक्त चाहिए, how much ever time you would want to take to let go of things, it's up to you. क्योंकि यार relationship ना दोनों तरफा होता है. एक तरफ से मैं कितनी भी कोशिश करूँ, entire season मैंने बहुत कोशिश की है, जब वापस आई तब मैंने कोशिश की है, हालांकि I did not get good vibes from her, so it's okay. उसका अपना मन है यार, जब चाहे वो, she has all the freedom to exercise her emotion. I have given it to her.
Did she wish you? I mean, I'm asking you this question because, you know, did she congratulated you? Because I'm asking you this question because, you know, I saw people trending that she did not congratulate you. She's jealous of you. So what exactly it was? Did she wish?
यार I remember stage पे जब सब मिलने आए थे तो उसने she had come and congratulate me. एक इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया था क्या जैस्मिन ने आपको फोन कर congratulate किया, तो मैंने कहा था कि फोन करके कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट नहीं किया. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट वेंट आउटसाइड. तो स्टेज पे जब वो आई थी, जैसे सब लोगों ने गले गले मिले, सबने कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया, सो शी वाज आल्सो वन ऑफ देम. बट सवाल ये था कि फोन करके क्या आपको बधाई दी गई, मैसेज दिया गया, तो डेफिनेटली आई मीन
नहीं हुआ था ऐसा.
नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. हालांकि अली का बर्थडे था तो आई हैड मैसेज्ड हिम एंड ही हैड कॉल्ड अप, ही हैड अ नाइस चैट. सो I mean, Ali, for that matter, he has maintained that relationship, and I'm very happy about that.
Rubina, everybody termed you as a strong woman. Bipasha Basu also took her Instagram to, you know, to support you. She called you a strong girl. Did you went through all these posts which has been done by the celebrities in your support?
Yes, recently, I think 2 days back only, I happened to see it, and I thank them also because women coming out and supporting other women, it is such a great example.
Exactly.
And these women, they actually personify the strength of a woman, the strength of a strong woman. So you know, they are strong women. They are the ones who set examples, and it really gives me, you know, a sense of confidence that in our fraternity we are there to, you know, bring each other ahead and talk about each other and strengthen each other. And it gives me immense pride to say that wow, our industry, or you know, our people, such figures are such examples that they really believe in you know, talking about and appreciating about the others. So it's a great example. And I'm really humbled and proud of the fact that we have such great names in our industry.
So where everyone is addressing you a strong woman, if I ask you, what according to you has been the strongest part of you, you know, which actually made Rubina win the trophy, what that would be?
I embraced my failures with no shame. I think that's a strength in itself. Because if you have fear of rejection, if you have fear of failure, if you have fear of judgment, if you run away from criticism, that works against you. किसी को भी अपनी बुराई सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगता है, किसी को ये कहने में अच्छा नहीं लगता कि
Hmm.
मुझसे गलती हुई है. But I shattered those things for myself and I said, I am who I am and I have to embrace myself like that. And I did that.
Your decision of taking Nikki Tamboli to finale was not liked by many people. What is your take on it? Do you feel that was a fair decision by taken by you?
Absolutely. She has worked hard, and not only I will say that, people who have watched the season will say that. She was the youngest contestant
Right.
and she had a great understanding about the game. She has made sure to be who she is despite she got so many bashings. She was bashed left, right, center. It wasn't easy for her at all. And I understand at that age when you're thrown so much,
Yeah.
everything is being thrown on you, you do not know how to conduct yourself, you are lesser on an experience, but yet you manage to reach till there. I salute her courage. So that was the courage that I wanted to celebrate. And that celebration in my way was bringing her to the finale. अगर मेरे हाथ में होता और मैंने कहा भी था मेरे हाथ में होगा ना, and I see you in the finale. Because yeah, for such a young girl to bear all that and to reach, it's like juggling in the mud and finally coming out as a lotus. And she has done that here. When I look back and I see myself when I was, in my 20s, 22, 23, यार कॉन्फिडेंस कम होता था, काम के बारे में इतनी समझ नहीं थी, लोगों का व्यवहार और ये सब तो मतलब दूर की बात है. एंड दिस गर्ल डूइंग बिग बॉस एट दिस एज इज कमेंडेबल.
Yeah.
So I salute her. I salute her zest that she has to be in the show, and it's commendable. And if we are not able to push our, younger generations ahead, who else will do it?
Yeah, that's
So
true.
it's an absolute right decision. It's absolutely fair यार. बाकी लोग तो मतलब बिग बॉस कुछ लोग करके आ चुके हैं, कुछ लोगों के पास करियर का एक्सपीरियंस इतने ज्यादा है, कुछ लोग अपना ऑलरेडी एक फैंडम लेकर आए. ये लड़की ने क्या किया, स्क्रैच से शुरू किया है यार, and she's been able to manage it so very beautifully between amongst each one of us. She deserves to be in finale at any cost.
Celebration is on. I could see that on your social media, parties are going on. But what is the real celebration which Rubina is waiting for to do?
One free day where I just eat and sleep. That's my celebration.
बस इतनी सी ख्वाहिश.
मेरी छोटी छोटी ख्वाहिशें यार. I always keep it simple. So where I can eat well, I'll have nice spa day. I will go for a massage, and then I'll sleep for some time. फिर इवनिंग में बालकनी पे बैठूंगी, कॉफी पीऊंगी और रात को जल्दी सो जाऊंगी. That's my way of celebrating, being in silence and being with myself.
I just hope ये सारे इंटरव्यूज के बाद आपको वो मौका मिल जाए.
I'm hoping. I will.
Okay. Before I conclude this interview, Rubina, I would really like to know कि घर वालों के कैसे कैसे सवाल आए, क्योंकि आपने बहुत सारी चीजें नेशनल टेलीविजन पे कही जिसको कहने के लिए हिम्मत लगती है. You opened up about your trouble in marriage. You also opened up about your aggression behavior. So how did your family reacted? What sort of questions were coming in when you met them?
No questions, yeah. My family knows me better. My family knows everything in and out. So there were no questions. It was just a sense of praise to the courage that I have shown on television. And that's what family is all about. Family आपसे सवाल नहीं करती है, family आपके साथ खड़ी रहती है, and my family has always been like that. And these issues, my family knew about these issues, and they are proud of the fact that I have been able to overcome and maybe in some way inspire people to
Talk about
say
it.
that
Yeah.
it is okay. If we as public figures we hesitate talking about it, um, I think it will be unfair on our paths just to show uh, only goody things in our lives, and make people believe that yaar, since we are public figures and we have a certain social status, we are so called celebrities, तो इनकी लाइफ में सब कुछ अच्छा होगा, इनकी लाइफ में वो प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होती है या वो नहीं होता है. I want to tell each one watching me that we all have problems. All our problems are same. They are interconnected, and if through my problems and overcoming my problems I'm able to inspire even one person who's watching me, मेरे लिए वो सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि है. So my family was always supportive, and they support, and there's never a question. For that matter, अभिनव ने भी कोई सवाल नहीं किया है कभी यार. He knows me, yeah.
Thank you so much, Rubina. It was pleasure talking to you.
Same here, Nikki.
And so good to see you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.